Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we are here with Rain, and as you can see we're on Pixel Gun 3D, and he has just tapped hi. Okay.
Yes,
he's right next to me. Okay. We actually don't know what we're gonna play. We just thought of it because I don't know. We like Pixel Gun 3D. It's a fun game. We got to agree on that. Okay, he just said yes.
let's play something.
Okay, so what do you want? What should we do?
Not Battle Royale.
Not Battle Royale?
No.
No, just let's just try Battle Royale once. Just this
Okay.
once round. Just one round.
Ready.
Small Island?
Yeah, small island.
Wait, isn't it just gonna be the two of us then?
Yes.
Okay. At least you're not on computer, because computers actually it looks really hard.
Chromebook.
Yeah, Chromebook. That's what I meant. I'm gonna die. Oof, I died. Look what it says. So if you crouch, then people won't hear the footsteps on the map. Oh, I thought we were with some random other dude. So it's gonna be us against other people with four. Oh my god, you're dying.
That's because there's like something. How long does it take to like prepare?
Wait, you want to turn yours down or mine?
Or just keep mine like that.
Hold on, I'm gonna go get some photos. Here, where are we gonna land at?
I don't know. Mansion.
Mansion?
Again.
Where?
Right there.
Corner?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. It's me. As you can see, I have a pink teddy bear. Yes. Fortnite, my dude. Have you ever played Fortnite?
Yeah, no.
We have an enemy coming, I think. Or is it just you and me? Is that you?
Yeah, I'm up on here.
Okay.
Oh no, who's that guy? No. Who's that guy?
I have no idea.
Who's that guy? That guy has like blue hair.
Here, you can go make a run for it. Here, go run.
Can I run?
Yes. Go over. Don't come in.
I don't. I'm in here.
Why'd you
I'm not
come
in here, but like, hi. I'm gonna. Oh god, that guy's coming. Okay, that guy just passed me.
Bruh. I have a gun.
I have nothing but a shovel. How is a shovel gonna do any good?
No idea. You're not asking me.
Oh, I got a gun.
Oh, yeah, so do I.
I don't know what it is.
I have no idea what mine is. Actually, no, I know what it is. I know what mine is.
Where's the safe zone?
Where does this dude at? I'm gonna go up here.
I want to go in the middle of the map because remember the thingamajigger?
What are you talking about?
The wall. Remember when we were still over here and we died? And I was about to die.
Oh yeah, the Great Wall of China.
Yeah.
Is it coming?
No, but I still want to go over there.
Where is
I got some armor.
There's a chest somewhere, but I have no idea. Dude, how are you all the way over there? You left me.
Oh, because I don't want to stay over here.
Vegeta. Really? I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was in the corner. I'm coming. Did you just shot by? Dude, don't take him alone. You're gonna get wrecked, little man.
I'm
Dude,
not little, I'm bigger than you.
I know. Don't underestimate me. I'm just kidding. Hey, turn around. He's gonna try to cut you off. Shoot him.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm
No, turn around. The storm thing. Freaking run. Make a run for it.
Oh, shoot. Ow.
Omega has fallen.
Oh, yeah, I'm dying. I'm gonna die.
Oh, I'm out. Peace. Fortnite killer? Oh, come on, dude.
Why is the guy's name Fortnite?
I know. Dude, I played a couple rounds before this, and I always saw one guy that at least had the word Fortnite in it.
Me so rude. There's some guy named called Me so rude.
Well, I'm still alive. That's good.
Level 2.
Yikes. How do I get out?
I'm gonna go to squad. I'm gonna get some more armor.
Alright, you can do that. How much money do you have?
Well, at least if I can. I don't know.
Ho, 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 Merry
I did
Christmas.
not get any kills. I literally just...
Yeah, you should have just died. Because you left me.
Oh, I didn't know where you were.
Yes, you did.
You're in the mansion?
I was in the mansion. I didn't leave the mansion. I thought we were staying in the mansion. This is straight up like Fortnite.
Because it is.
No, it isn't, but it is. Oh God, this storm. I'm just shooting randomly.
How do you like?
I'll play you. Medkit. No! I'm literally only at 2 HP right now. Ah, gosh. Hey, I got killed by a guy with a clan with a sheep.
I left the squad. I'll join again, okay?
You already have 27? I only have like 1. I only got 1 coin from this.
I got nothing.
I got a lot of kills, I gotta say. 2 squad. Ow! I was just making sure I'm still recording.
I'm getting 5 coins.
Yeah, I know. Once I got 50 coins from it. It was hella cool. Free backup upgrade. You got that? That protects you, Lucky. Here, go. You can go to your. How many do you have? I have 8.
Good for you.
I have enough to do twice. Imagine it gives you 50.
Does it give you random?
Yeah, it just gives you random stuff. Ow. Oh, jeez, excuse myself. I'm gonna move
I got
it.
VIP for 1 hour.
I got VIP for 1 hour, but I lost it.
Because it's already been an hour.
How come I did? I started a magic carpet and I got a magic carpet. Are you kidding me? Oh, I don't have enough.
I want to do the pool thing. The pool map.
Pool map? Alright. Where are you at?
Rada.
Rah. I invited you. You can join? You can join? You can join? You can join?
I'm gonna
You join. Never mind. You know you can equip the thing? And right here, did you already equip it?
What?
The thing that you got.
What thing?
From the thing. Where are your gadgets? Okay, yeah, you already got it. Hold on. Armory. I have 15 coins. Can I buy anything?
That costs 50.
I know.
Upgrade.
Tools. I need 30 gems.
Wait, that's a
I'm poor.
jetpack?
Yeah, there's 50 gems. Oh my god. So, team fight was it?
I think so.
The White House.
No, it was the pool. I want to go to the pool.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
No, you weren't.
Ready up, boy! We are connecting. Am I still recording?
Yes, you are. Okay.
Silver bullet. What team are you?
No!
Gosh, Johnny, run. I'm gonna go to shotty gunnies. Shots of the guns. You guys see us. This guy's a phantom target. No, I got it. Oh, come on. I got killed by a cat.
Yeah, I was about to get killed. I got killed by one of your people.
This is MOG. Dude, I haven't seen you once yet.
I've seen you.
I haven't seen you.
I was shooting you. I died from another zombie.
Zombie killed the zombie friend.
That's just brutal.
I know.
No!
Ooh, same. Baba play you.
I'm actually pretty good.
Baba, it's way easier. Oh, dude, I almost got you. Your partner moved and then you came in and I was about to shoot him.
somebody's dog.
What was its name?
Get out of them.
Oh, I think you killed mine.
Was that
Yes, mine was Wolfie.
Yeah, I killed your dog.
How dare you?
Wait, were you ready?
I didn't even kill you.
This guy killed me.
Through the wall.
A sniper.
Sniper.
One shot.
One
He
shot.
had like.
One shot, one kill. Oh, it's probably because it was like red. Was it like the normal one? If he killed you with the normal one, then yeah, I bet it was fully upgraded. Then maybe that's why. Pop a shield.
How did you not see me?
No, I've seen you.
Oh no, that was it's you. I thought that was the other guy.
Dude, whenever you're punished, freaking spawn right in front of me, didn't know me. Ah, you kill me? Which guy? On whose team, mine? Sickness.
His name is Sickness.
It doesn't say.
Gay cat. I think it said great or gay. I got 5 kills.
Oh, lucky. Oh, you got 40 XP?
How much did you get?
I only got like 10. I'm sure I wasn't paying attention.
So they have VIP, boy. I have level 3 armory.
Level 3. Yeah. Oh, we're on the same team. Hey, look, armory. Wait, why'd you leave?
Cause I'm gonna do something.
Well, I'm gonna play.
Huh?
I'm gonna play. I'm not
Oh, okay, never mind. Wait.
Hardcore. Boom. Boom. Oh, Twitter. Oh, you're there. You should have played when we didn't even. Wait, what? How am I gonna kill this?
Oh, yeah, I can go.
So now. Crab. Somebody had a crab and they named him Crab. He must be really crabby. Just don't matter. Get out of here, home. No one's flipping me. The truck closest. Woo! Wow, there's 2 of them.
What's the barrel for?
Oh, they're for the Fortnite round thing. You equip and you can like when you yeah. Dude, this guy sucks. Oh, he died. Oof. Best friends forever. God, there was hella people that just died right there. We're best friends.
Fat.
You want your what wit? There's already Wait, then how will I know which is the real pet? Which is you? Oh, okay. Dude, okay. Kind of fun. Dude, when is this guy gonna?
5 minutes and then he's
What? Oh, really? A kill assist? Go to the battle with the Roys of the Elves.
No.
Dang, that's snowballs. That's pretty cool. How did I get a kill assist? How did I just get a kill assist? Is it because of you?
Yes. It was because of me.
How dare you. Oh, I got a double kill in the act. That's Game Boy. Oh, really? 499. Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Choose the squad. It's still Omega.
Oh, just leave it like that then. Which one do you want to do?
I don't know.
You don't care? Okay.
Island Rangers. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna pause it.
Battle Royale then?
Okay, guys. I think we should we end this?
Yeah, let's
Should
just,
let's end the video here.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm probably not gonna post this until like later. So you guys have been seeing us play Pixel.
Gun.
Yeah, 3D. If you want, you guys can add us and send friend requests and stuff. Look, so this is our ID number 1108222831. Then his, what is his? What's your ID number? Yours is 155372227. That's a lot of twos.
Okay, I'm still on the thing.
You have yeah, dude. Yeah, but yeah. So you guys can add us and maybe we'll, huh?
Still play?
Yeah, you guys can add us if you want, but we're just gonna keep playing. This is Primal Skull and Rain, and we are out. Peace.
Bye.